In this local leader review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to find pre-qualified leads anywhere in the world, be able to contact them instantly, and even sell this as a service. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Local Leader or the bundle discount, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses right on this page that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says free video reveals how to connect with local businesses in your area looking for help. Lead so good, Glengarry Ross would be proud. If you don't get that reference, it's from a movie here. Instantly download local leads from any part of the world, pre-qualified and ready for you. Complete info on every lead easily with just a click. Built-in lead manager so you can tag and save your leads. A cold email sender. Now, this is the cool part about this is that you can actually email these people right inside the application so that you don't have to go like move around and whatnot. You can actually email them right inside and be able to track these different leads. Outreach tracker tracks opens and clicks to optimize your outreach. You can see who's actually responding and you get the commercial license, which means that you can actually provide this as a service. You can go on places like Upwork and Fiverr and say that you're going to send people a list of X amount of qualified leads and sell them to that. Sell them that as a service. So it's a really something that everyone always wants. Everyone always wants leads. If you can find people qualified leads, that's what's important. People don't want just a list of random email addresses or whatnot. They want people that are actually interested in their business, and that's what you can do with this software. Now, you can see different searches that they've done here, like plumbers in New York, cafes in Paris, nightclubs in Barcelona, sushi in Tokyo, art studios in Sydney, all these different things that you can actually specifically contact these people about specific services. And I'm going to give you an example here. If you were just to email someone and say, I can build you a website, like I see that you are a business owner, I can build you a website. Like they're going to hit the spam button and or just not even like pay attention to you. But if you email, and let's do cafes in Paris. If you email someone, well, actually, let's not do cafes in Paris because like maybe we don't speak French. Let's go back to English. Let's say for plumbers in New York. Let's say you email plumbers in New York and you say to them in your service that you want to provide. And by the way, you don't need to actually provide the service yourself. You can outsource anything that you want to do. You can say, I specifically make websites for plumbers. And let's say that you've got some examples that you can show them, and it could be examples of the person that you're going to outsource that work to, by the way. These are some examples of some actual plumbers' websites that we've created, not I, we've created, and you can show them some examples of that. They're going to be much more likely to respond to that than to just a random generic email from someone saying that they're going to provide them just a website. You want to really niche down because then they say, oh, wow, this person actually does plumber. They do plumber websites. They know how my business works. So just a little tip for you on that. You can do that with anything, any kind of niche out there. Really smart. So here's some testimonials from people that have actually tested this out here. Timothy, I've known Timothy now for years. He's either a subscriber on my channel or he watches my videos. Here's Michael Barnes. He's like people actually like real people. These aren't fake testimonials, by the way, which we see unfortunately all the time. You guys, if you watch my reviews, you know that I get really annoyed with that. So if we go down here a little bit more, like you could go out and like in person visit these places, but we're going to do walk around to all these different businesses and talk to all these people. I don't want to do that. I don't really want to like go through that and that kind of rejection. You don't need to do that. You can just email them. And once you know that that lead is qualified, it's so much easier to work with a customer that actually wants to talk with you than someone that's saying, no, go away. I don't want to talk to you. So you can qualify all these people. And then you can get paid to provide any kind of service that you want to them. Like there's so many different services that you can provide. There's bonuses included inside of this. They're going to teach you like that kind of stuff, like how to provide services, what to do, et cetera, et cetera. So don't worry about that. Step one, you find It's an easy to find interface. You can search for terms, and I'm going to show you a full demo in a second. Next, qualify. So you can qualify and searches and finds all the different things that they need, and then you can send them an email with that. And there's actually, if you look on the sales page as well, there's a full demo on the sales page here as well. If you want to watch that in action, it's up to you. Click over and go to the sales page and watch that demo. I'm going to show you a shorter one, but you can watch a fuller one on the sales page when you get there. It says here, it's a rundown of all the data points, local business details. So it shows you all the details that it provides, like their website, like is it WordPress, LinkedIn, do they have Facebook, do they have Twitter, Instagram, all these different things. So these are ways that you can actually contact them as well. Like, don't just email them, message them on Facebook, message them on Twitter, message them on LinkedIn. Get them started with you, especially because you know that you can actually help them. Google search maps and ranks, you can actually find their position on these different places. So if you see this guy right here, he's 78 for his term, then you can help this person. And again, you don't need to know how to do this stuff. You can outsource it. But if you know how to do it, that's great. If you know how to do any of these things, you have a superpower that you can really help people with. Ratings and review counts. Advertising. Are they advertising on different platforms? Are they doing remarketing? Do they have a remarketing pixel? Is that a service that you could potentially offer them? Retargeting. Again, pay someone else to do it for you. Take the money from the customer and use that to pay the outsourcer, and you take the profits. Built-in leads manager, built-in cold email sender, built-in outreach tracker. It integrates with either an SMTP, or you can integrate with MailVio Prospect. That's a software of theirs here that you can integrate with. There's a six-figure with local leader training that's included with this. So they're going to teach you actually how to make money with this. The commercial license is included, so you can offer this as a service, and a bunch of extra bonuses with this. There are two offers on the sales page. You're going to see the commercial or the starter. Big differences here. You get 50 searches daily or 100. And of course, with the commercial, you get commercial rights. But with this one also, you get you can find and deep crawl 10,000 leads, and this one's 5,000. So most people get the commercial, and you get all the extra bonuses and stuff, and it's just a little bit more expensive with this. So that's the front end offer. Again, there is the bundle discount. I'm going to show you that in a minute, like where you can just bypass everything and get the bundle. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the bundle discounts.
Imagine if you were hand-delivered brand new qualified leads on a daily basis for any business in any part of the world. In fact, imagine if it was so simple that you could have 100 new leads by the time this video was done, all at the push of a button. And what if you could also email them instantly without any extra effort, and with your unique offer that solves the exact problem they are facing right now? This may seem like a bold promise, but trust me, by the time you're done watching this video, you will see how you can generate leads from any town, any city in the world, and email them instantly. Hi, I'm Neil Napier, and today I want to share how you can guaranteed get active B2B leads from any city, any town, and any state in the world, and email them to pitch your services, all at the push of a button. You can do this in 3 simple steps. Start by finding your leads. Enter the type of businesses you want and the city and country to find them. Next, qualify your leads. Review the hundreds of results from every search you generate. Select the ones that would benefit most from your services. And then, step 3, send an email to them. Using our built-in email tool, you can send a targeted offer to each qualified targeted lead you have generated. You will offer them the service they need. The best part is, you don't even need to fulfill these services yourself. More on that later. These 3 steps are made possible using Local Leader, a B2B lead generation and mailing tool. Look, what I'm showing here is by far the best B2B lead generation software in the market. I can say that because we use our deep crawling engine to evaluate local businesses in any city or town in the world based on more than 20 data points. These data points reveal the pain points and needs of any local business. We also give you the tools to reach out to them directly from the app to make an offer they will love. With Local Leader, you will quickly have a targeted list of local businesses that have immediate needs you can solve. Some companies won't have a website. You can provide that as a service. Some companies are not using Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to increase their social presence. You can do it for them. Maybe even offer a recurring content creation service to keep the money flowing into your bank account, and at the same time helping your clients to grow their bottom line. In fact, check this out. With a quick search, I found 100 different prospects in Washington that are getting lousy reviews online. I can offer them reputation management service or sell these leads to a reputation management agency. Another quick search revealed more than 100 businesses in Paris that don't have a Facebook presence. I can offer them social media content creation and management service, or as before, offer these leads to another agency for a price. Then check out these bakeries in London. Again, more than 100 new tasty leads that need our help with their retargeting ads. I'm sure you can see why I'm so excited about Local Leader. This is your chance to find local businesses that can make money with your help, and so can you. Over the last 9 years, I've offered a variety of software that fulfill a variety of needs. But the one thing I was missing was a powerful lead generation solution. Today, that changes. With Local Leader, you are able to generate leads. Not just that, for each lead you know exactly where they are struggling and you can offer them the perfect solution. Basically, we are giving you untapped, targeted traffic for your business. Local Leader will help you build a targeted list that you can send offers for exactly what they need. With this platform, you can create a new income stream as you offer services these businesses desperately need. This is especially true if you can offer recurring services like content, ads management, or retargeting. Local Leader can be, you could say, life-changing for both you and your clients. And to celebrate our new endeavor together, I have something special to offer to you today. I want to invite you to become a charter member for Local Leader at a one-time price, which won't be available anywhere else after today. If you've purchased from me before, you know that I always over-deliver, and this time is no different. With each search within Local Leader, you will get every data point for each business that you saw in my demo earlier. All the business details, direct links to each lead's Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and more. Information on their advertising, remarketing, and more. On top of that, we will give you the perfect toolkit to close more businesses. This includes our built-in cold email sender to mail from directly inside Local Leader. Our built-in leads manager. This will help you keep track of promising leads for further follow-up. And our built-in outreach tracker. Now you can track the performance of all the emails that you have sent. Local Leader will make your life simple. Just think about the time and effort it would take to gather the same information on your own. Google businesses in your chosen city, then go through each search result to try and figure out what they have and what they don't have. It would take you forever to just get a short list together. But if you pick up Local Leader today, during our launch you can do this for far less than the cost of a dinner with your family. Local Leader is available for a one-time payment to get up and running today, but only during our launch period. Also during the launch you can grab, as a bonus, full commercial rights. This means you can sell any targeted list you create to as many clients as you want. Some niches are paying $20, $50, or even more per lead. There are so many ways you can win with Local Leader, but you need to act now to become a charter member. And of course, you are backed with our clear guarantee. No questions asked refund if you don't like what you see. I've got your back. Now is your opportunity to tap into the lucrative local services market. You can do that simply with the 3 steps inside Local Leader: find, qualify, and send. So let's create some win-win deals today. Click the button below to grab this charter member deal, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we are back. So again, this is the backend area where you can search your leads. You can find all this different information on these things, all these like local pet shops and wherever you want. Like you do anything, any kind of leads that you want to find, you can find them, you can export them, you can sell them. It gives you so much information to like be able to contact these different companies and sell them services. You can find out what they're missing and what you can provide for them. Now, if you go through the sales funnel and you purchase the front end offer, what you'll see after you purchase is the first thing that you'll see here, if I can find it, is this right here. This is the Fast Pass. Now the Fast Pass it's something new that's been going on. You might have seen it. It's after you purchase the offer you see on the sales page, you can then get all the different upgrades for a one-time price. So it's going to give you the Pro version that I'm going to show you in a second, which is normally 197. The local, which is normally 297. The local leader agency, so it's the extreme, the agency, which is normally 59. And the automated version, which is 47. You get all those for a one-time price, I believe. Let's see here. One time, 247. So you can do that, or you can click on the no thanks button and go through the sales funnel. So you can do that. And if you go through the sales funnel, you see the pro version after. So this gives you 30,000 more leads, connect with influencers, upgraded Instagram data, unlock Google My Business data, multiple CSV exports, advanced searches, blah, blah, blah. That's added in there. The other one here is the extreme one. So you get personalized branding and higher email deliverability with this. So this is going to give you some extra upgrades for this. So it's an extra thing here to add on. Let's see here. You get your cold email module with built-in email verification. So you're not emailing bad leads. So you can verify all these different things, and you get all this extra data in there. The next one is the agency one. So it's a done for you agency. So you get like done for you resources. You get a done for you like 300 plus professional design, social media content, logos, proposals, blah, blah, blah. All these things added in. And the last one is the automated version of this. So this one's going to give you... they're going to teach you exactly how to do this. So it looks like all these different things are going to teach you how to run your business. Now, like I said, you can go through the sales funnel and you can either get the fast pass or you can get the OTO separately like I just showed you, or on my bonus page, there'll be a link here for a bundle discount. So this is for people that know you want to get everything and you want the lowest price on everything. This will give you a bundle discount. It'll give you the front end offer. It will give you all the different OTOs all together for the lowest price that you can get everything at here. So this is a bundle deal. You can get it looks like there's a 10% discount off at this time. That could change during the launch, so don't quote me on that. But you can get a discount during, and you can get that everything all at the lowest price. So it's up to you how you want to do this. You can go through the sales funnel. You can get the fast pass if you want. You get the bundle deal. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay, so what do I like about Local Leader and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, don't think that just because you start sending emails to these people that everyone's going to answer you. You're going to get a lot of people that don't respond back to you. So just know that this will take time. You will need to contact a lot of people in order to get a response. This isn't some magic push button system. This is simply a tool. What do I like about this? I think this is really cool. I think that it's much better doing something like this than going out there and knocking on doors. If you've got any kind of service that you can provide yourself, or you want to watch that bonus training and learn services that you can provide for people that don't involve you doing anything yourself, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Local Leader review today. If you want to take a look at it, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.